क्या होगा देखो, अगर ये बात तो वैसे आपको बहुत कॉमन सेंस की बात है, ऑलरेडी यू मस्ट नो दिस पॉइंट कि इफ आई टेक अ नंबर बिटवीन 0 and 1 like 1/2, तो higher the power of 1/2 the lower the value it will have. ठीक बात है. So if I try and draw the graph of y is equal to x cube, it will look something like this. And after 1 the value of x cube will increase. तो अगर 2 डालूंगा तो x cube will become 8 and y is equal to x will become 2. and यहाँ पे देखो तुम, अब अगर मैं और पावर बढ़ाऊंगा तो क्या होगा? If I take x to the power 5, this graph will again start from below here and will go. The higher the power, the lower will be the graph. This is x to the power 5. This red graph is nothing but x cube, and this black graph is nothing but x, or blue is nothing but x to the power. From here, can you guess the pattern of the graphs of the second part? तो जितनी पावर बढ़ाते जाऊंगा आपको लॉजिक समझ में आ जाएगा कैसे दिखेगा. Fine. The only difference between odd and even power is basically in first and second quadrant. If you see on the left and right hand side of the y-axis, the graph will be exactly same. तो यहाँ पे exactly same दिखाई दे रहा है because this is even power. And in odd power, this value has become negative. यहाँ पे positive. Again, one more important thing to notice.
ठीक है.
And again, I have drawn this curve and बहुत अच्छे से illustrate कर रखा है. Now again, इसके reciprocal के ग्राफ कैसे बनेंगे? How to draw graphs of reciprocal? Now this is again a skill set. तो जैसे अगर मेरे पास है ना, तो I will give you the skill. बहुत सिंपल है. तो जैसे अगर मुझे किसी भी ग्राफ है, जैसे fx का ग्राफ दे रखा है, वो ग्राफ ऐसे दिखाई देता है. And I have to draw the reciprocal 1/fx of this graph. कैसे ड्रॉ करूं? जहाँ छोटा होगा वहां बड़ा होगा, जब बड़ा होगा वहां छोटा होगा. यस. जहाँ इंफिनिटी होगा वहां ये 0 हो जाएगा. Because 1 by very big number will become very small number. 1 by very big number will, तो यहाँ पे ये ऐसा दिखाई देगा. When as I approach 0 at this point here, at this point, this will become very big but positive. मेरे पास अभी क्या डेटा है? देखो मेरे पास ये डेटा है कि यहाँ पे ये यहाँ कहीं लाई करेगा, यहाँ पे ये यहाँ कहीं लाई करेगा, यहाँ पे ये यहाँ कहीं लाई करेगा, यहाँ पे ये यहाँ कहीं लाई करेगा. And here in between. Now if I approach it from here, so what is happening here is again the value is very small but negative. So 1 by a very small and negative value, like 1 by minus 0.001. This will become like minus of 1000. बहुत बड़ा हो गया. So if I take a value here, it will become very big but negative. तो यहाँ पे होगा. The same will happen at this point. It will be very big but negative. And जब ये value आएगी, तो this will create a value here. मान लो अगर इसकी वैल्यू यहाँ 4 होती तो रेसिप्रोकल will become 1/4. So the graph, if you join this point, the graph will look something like this.
ठीक है.
It is a very simple and elegant construction. Now, let us observe the graph of sin x. Using the graph of sin x, we can draw the graph of cosec x using this technique. Very elegant technique. तो देखो sin x का ग्राफ बनाओ. Now, based on this sin x का graph, we will only look at values at which the function is taking value 0. जहाँ 0 हो रहा है वो important है. जहाँ 0 हो रहा है वो important है. Now, wherever this is approaching 0 from a positive side, here positive infinity value ले लेते हैं. ठीक है ना? यहाँ तो ये maximum value वाली तो यहाँ minimum value होगी. And again यहाँ पे देखो, here it will again become very positive. अगर मैं इन तीनों को join करूँगा तो it will look something like this. Let us move on to the next interval. यहाँ पे it will become very negative. Maximum value very negative. Smooth curve. Very positive. ये pattern आ जाएगा ऐसा. This is sin x. This is reciprocal of sin x.
तो
sin x का reciprocal क्या होता है? cosec x.